Hello guys. Wait. You're gonna ask me, Marco, why you're not posting AI videos of your OC? Well, actually, I just arrived at school. This is how I take off my school uniform. Before that, like and subscribe while I'm doing it. There you go. Bye.